So for today, I will show you the real-time thermistor value of this Panasonic. Have a model of CPCUPU 80DKQ. So we will check the actual and real thermistor value of this compressor sensor. Okay, check. And it shows 33.6 k ohms. Okay, so we will check the condenser sensor going there downside. Itong mas malaki pare, condenser sensor yung banda doon. Yan. Yan. Pati natutok. Yan. Condenser sensor 4.8 k ohms condenser sensor ambient. Naginabay tada 12.3 k ohms. 12.3 k ohms ambient. So always remember, this may vary if depends upon on the temperature. So that's all for today. Thermistor value of Panasonic inverter condenser. So good luck. Welcome to Pixar.